Whoa. Wow. That'll make the kids drop their Halloween candy and run. Welcome everyone. Thanks for taking me off-ramp to adventure. Today I'm out to find what's new, hot, and happening for Halloween in the usual haunts you find them in. If you want to see the awesomely amazing place Louisville goes to get their scare on, make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Not a girl you'd probably want to date. Check this guy. Bones. Literally. What is that, the angel of death? I think so. This is going to be the king-size Freddy Krueger. Man, and this guy. Yeah, you don't want him coming over for dinner. Then, of course, over here, you can just, stroll through the bones and decide which skeleton is the one that says, you, at your house. I'm just strolling through Lowe's right now, and the stuff is incredible. That's pretty darn creepy. Wow. The 3 Pennywise, and then, of course, Leatherface. Yeah. Stuff to give you nightmares. Oh, there's the life-size Pennywise. That thing is at least 6 feet. Of course, way up top, you've got the not-so-spooky stuff for the kids for your Halloween party. Yeah, this is a little friendlier, especially the Mickey. Like the Mickey. Nothing hidden about that candy corn. More cute stuff for Halloween. Yes, it's not all scary and creepy. Another Mickey with the Halloween tie. Well, Snoopy. How can you get scared of Snoopy? And Baby Yoda. Vanessa would love these. She loves pillows. Spooky. Happy Halloween. This is just Lowe's. Seriously, oh, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, found these. Those are pretty cool. But this is the true creep factor. What are these, spiders? Oh, creepy. These things are like huge tarantulas. Can you imagine dropping that one down in front of one of the kids trick-or-treating at your house? And you got the, this bag of skulls. Always eat some of those laying around, right? Someone's got to get this tape. You know what it says? Look. Beware of zombies. The apocalypse is coming. Ooh! Is this guy the grave digger? Look at this. He's got the lantern. He's like 6 feet tall too. This is incredible. The stuff you can put in your yard. If you like to dress up for Halloween, oh my goodness. I like this stuff. If I'm not careful, Vanessa's going to bring me back and make me go shopping. Man, it is so tempting not to buy a lot of stuff here. Gotta go. Their advertising says you can save big money at Menards. Wonder if that means Halloween too. We're gonna find out. This is just the beginning, guys. We've been to Lowe's. We're gonna go to Menards now. I'm going to go to Home Depot as well, and there's a special place you're gonna love. Stick around. You literally can find everything here, including the kitchen sink. Okay, that's old. Sorry. Oh wow, do you like this fancy spray nozzle? Getting off track. I'm sorry. Here we go. I'm really trying to get there, guys, but stuff like this I like wood stoves. Again, off track. Okay, I'm assuming they have Halloween stuff. I don't know yet. They've got to. Lowe's. Oh, there we go. Pretty much the same ones, it looks like, except for, yeah? Oh, wait. That guy there is different. I wondered how hard this, oh. That's creepy.
You keep me in stitches. People say I'm funny. Well, look at you. That face is something that anybody would laugh at.
Gotta admit, pretty interesting so far, but I was wondering, how many manufacturers of these things are there? Am I gonna pretty much find the same thing? That's pretty much what there are some different things. Like this guy. Ooh, menacing. This is kind of fun. Not everything is creepy and scary. So Menards is turning out to be a good place too. Let's see what else they've got. Different kinds of bones. We had skeletons over there. We've got snake skeletons here. Mouse, anyone? And the dragon. Little something for you Harry Potter fans too. Here's Hattie. Harry Potter. I think that's Ron probably, and that's Hermione. And I know these characters, but I don't know who they are. Oh, the Sanderson sisters. Okay, got it. Oh, I love this one. For those of you who like RV life. What is this, a globe? It's a Halloween little trailer. It's got sparkly stuff in it. Not quite sure what. It's full of liquid. I might have to get this. Okay, 2 down, 1 to go, then the big store. All right, here we go. It's looking like they could use some help here. I thought it would be right when I walked in. I'm not seeing anything though. Got the freezers, got the Freon, and the bathroom sink. So far, no Halloween. Aha! There it is. According to an associate, they're just now getting their stuff set up, and it's a lot different. Look at this guy. What does he got? Like a cow head with horns and very snake-like eyes. Okay, that's different. And these devil children. Okay, this is some very interesting stuff, guys. Loving this. Actually different. Some interesting offerings over here too. That guy. Wow. We got a big guy there. The butcher, the baker, no, troublemaker. Yeah. Ooh, look at that guy. It's the first Jack Skellington I'm seeing. But a lot of these things this year are extremely tall. Jack is like 12 feet tall. This guy here is going to be about 11. Huge. That's kind of different for a door decoration. It's a little wreath, all black and spooky. And I've got a feeling this cauldron is going to look very cool at night. It's all plasticky green. You know there's lights in there. That is a cool little tripod that goes with it too. Okay, I think we've seen what we need to see here. I don't want to keep showing you guys the same thing over and over. Now let's go to the fun place where you can really get into Halloween. And I mean, you can get into Halloween. Welcome to downtown Louisville and to Caufield's Novelty Shop. Talking about a Louisville staple for Halloween. Okay, I think I'm in love already. Dragula. Remember that from the Munsters? Yeah, this is the place, guys. This is where you can really get into Halloween. I mean, literally. Oh, that's creepy. What are these people? Your neighbors? Not sure. Fountain Ferry Park. Okay, that was a thing back in the 30s. Flood took it out. And I guess these are recreations of what was out there, or they actually were there. Don't worry, we're going to get to the Halloween costumes very quickly. First off, we've got to just peruse what they've got, because if you want Halloween in Louisville, this is where you go. Look at this, a skull funnel. The liquid trails down the spine. Okay, that's different. No. For your lattes and the like. Oh, look at this, they've got lunch boxes. Metal. The Exorcist lunchbox where she's spitting up the green pea soup. I don't think, no. Well, that's precious. This is evidently the gangster aisle. How do I know? The accessories pretty much give it away. Yeah, you've got an hour to get out of town, see? Now, go. Keep the change, you filthy animal. And the flapper lives at Caufield's. I'm thinking Cher, 1973. Awesome accessories. Look, Thor's hammer. Or you can pretend it's a Thor's hammer. This, it's a knife. And that's a knife. Wow, this goes on. What? Big Daddy Kane. Looks like a disco ball on top. This kid bought here, and he'll be back. I'm gonna try and find something that's really unusual. May take a while. It may not do it, but I'm gonna try. Don't look now, but I'm feeling my Saturday night fever going up. Oh, people used to dress like this back in the day. This back in the 60s was a little more hip in my book, but that, wowza. Okay, for the more traditional, Spider-Man. Captain America, Superman. That guy looks pretty convincing, doesn't he? A lot of glare in here. Got some turtle action going on. Oh yeah, he has the power. It's He-Man. Never mind. You got till sundown to get out of town. Gotta ask yourself, you feel lucky? Well, do ya? Okay, for those of you who really have a big personality, I think I found your outfit. Hopefully there are 2 of you. Or maybe this. 2 costumes in 1 bag. Can't beat it. Where do you wear that? Pizza Hut? Hot dog. I don't know why, but I feel this should be the thumbnail. Okay, now we're getting different. And Mr. Beer Belly? Or, no, it could be Santa too, so. But, that is funny. I could keep running you through here, but I think you pretty much get the idea. Oh, hold on. Another room. This one is the creepy room. Ominous music playing in the background, and this guy. Wow. Honestly, whoa. You know they're animatronics, but when you're here by yourself in this atmosphere, this is creepy. Whoa. So, I just want to get past that guy. Look at
What are you coming here this way? No matter. You will have an eternity to mourn.
As creepy as this is, wait till you see the one. It just scared me. I think I'm gonna have to sneak up on him because he's gonna do it as soon as I get in front of him. Look at this. Hey, come on, fella. Yeah. Oh, ah, okay. Heart's pounding. And then this. Look at this. The tombstone that moves. Oh, like look at the hand. There's a hand coming out at the bottom. Look at the hand. That's creepy. These animatronics keep talking and it's just so creepy. You can hardly think, but it's so cool. Spooky. Look at this guy. Oh, gee. Wow. That one caught me. What happened? I didn't get it on film. It jumped right out at me. A jumping spider. Wow. Whew. Look at this guy. This is the stuff nightmares are made of, seriously. You got the dead guy there. The crypt. Coffin. Oh, the witch.
My weary eyes in the pocket. But not as good when you are close up, dearie. If you prefer, I can turn you into a toad. A little bit of fashionable fencing for Halloween. Oh, look at this guy.
Do you see those shadows dancing just out of my lantern's light?
Yeah.
Don't you worry. Those are just a few of my friends eager to get this party started.
Okay.
Every year we all come out for some fun, and it's always a night to remember.
If you like this kind of content, I'm going to put a link in the description below to a car cruise we went to at a drive-in movie theater. It was called the Creepy Car Cruise, and believe me, it lived up to its name. Wow! Okay, that was awesome from you guys. If you loved it as much, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Tell your friends about us. Leave a comment. We would love to make more video content for you, but we have to work full-time jobs. We would love to become full-time YouTubers. So if you would, you want to help us out, subscribe and come back often to watch our new videos, all right? Stay safe, enjoy Halloween, and remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. So is Chucky like a bubblehead now? Huge head. Ooh, need this for the bike. For your ball and chain. Sorry. Oh, honey, I love you. I was just kidding. I'm here for the party. Wow, the stuff that's out there, I'm amazed by it. Never really got into Halloween. Christmas is more my thing, mine and Vanessa's. Yeah, but this, man, if you want to get into the spirit, literally, this is a place to go. Wall hangings, decorations, accessories, it just goes on and on. You might want to shop them online, guys. I think it'd be worth your time. Didn't even mention the makeup selection. It's massive, of course, and it just keeps going. DoorDash.